Welcome to Beyond the Sky, where science meets wonder.
Space is vast, mysterious, and full of unimaginable phenomena. Among its many wonders, few events are as powerful or as terrifying as the collision of black holes. Recently, scientists have detected a truly incredible cosmic event, two enormous black holes crashing into each other, sending ripples across the fabric of the universe itself. These were not ordinary black holes. Each one was several times more massive than our Sun, with gravity so intense that even light could not escape their pull. For millions of years, these cosmic giants orbited each other in a deadly celestial dance, spinning faster and faster as they drew closer together. Their immense gravitational forces distorted the space around them, stretching and warping the stars, gas, and dust in their vicinity. As they approached each other, the space between them became a turbulent battlefield. Matter spiraled into the black holes in glowing, fiery streams, forming dazzling accretion disks. The collision was inevitable. When the black holes finally met, the universe witnessed one of the most violent events ever recorded. The merger released an unimaginable amount of energy, more than all the stars in billions of galaxies combined. But the collision didn't just create a burst of energy. It formed a new, even more massive black hole. The gravitational waves produced by this event traveled across billions of light-years, subtly stretching and squeezing spacetime itself. It was these waves that first reached Earth, where highly sensitive instruments like the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, or LIGO, and the European Virgo collaboration, detected them. Scientists were able to measure the tiny vibrations and confirm that a massive cosmic collision had occurred far across the universe. This discovery is not just remarkable, it is transformative. It shows how black holes grow over time, how galaxies evolve, and how the universe itself is constantly in motion. It also reminds us of the immense scale of cosmic events, where unimaginable forces operate on scales far beyond our comprehension. Imagine the scene billions of light-years away, two dark giants swirling in a vortex of light and matter, their immense gravity ripping nearby stars and gas into fiery streams, until finally, they collide. The explosion of energy creates ripples that travel across the cosmos, affecting spacetime itself. And all of this happened long before the waves ever reached Earth, a subtle whisper of a violent dance in a galaxy far, far away. The implications of this discovery are profound. It raises questions about how many other black hole collisions are happening across the universe right now. Are there countless mergers we cannot detect yet, each sending out waves through the cosmic ocean? Could there be events even more powerful, hidden beyond the reach of our instruments? For humanity, these discoveries offer a glimpse into the fundamental laws of the universe. They allow us to understand gravity, space, and time in ways that were once purely theoretical. They also spark our imagination, reminding us of the awe-inspiring beauty and terrifying power of the cosmos. As scientists continue to monitor gravitational waves and explore the far reaches of space, we can expect even more astounding discoveries. Perhaps one day, we will witness a collision that outshines billions of suns or uncover a black hole so massive that it challenges everything we know about physics. Until then, every new detection, every ripple, and every collision tells a story of cosmic forces that have been shaping the universe for billions of years. And as we watch, listen, and explore, we are reminded that we live in a universe that is far more dynamic, violent, and beautiful than we ever imagined. This is the story of two enormous black holes, their epic collision, and the waves that reached us, carrying secrets from the distant universe. A story of cosmic wonder, unimaginable power, and the ongoing quest to understand the very fabric of reality.